Alright, so I'm making enchiladas for dinner tonight. And just some other items that I need. Let's see what we need. Got a whole tortilla section right here. Should have just came down this way. What do I need? I need the can and the enchilada sauce. One large and one small. Should I get the green one? I always wanted to try it. Who called him? Anywho, for dinner tonight, I will be making some enchiladas. I guess I'm gonna let y'all see how I make them. Depends on how I feel because it's a lot. Now, that's a sample from Outkast, but it was Big Boy's song. He did ghetto music. I'm gonna insert the clip so y'all can get y'all fun fact on that if y'all didn't know. She's a May baby. She's not a tourist, but she's a May baby. So I still love Aunt Patty. Oh, yeah, more I love. So I'm doing the quick way. So I have a rotisserie chicken. I'm going to shred it up. Cheese, corn, cream of chicken, and that's my filling. And then that's it. Put it in the oven and go on by my day. Okay. So, like I said, got the easy way rotisserie chicken. You can get that at Sam's Club, BJ's, Costco, Walmart, any grocery store that sells chicken. Like so. You're going to cut the pieces up that you want. I don't have a preference. I eat it all. White meat, dark meat. You're just going to shred it up like that. Add it to the bowl. And then I already got my corn inside. You know, like I say, you got your cream of chicken, your cheeses. And then that's basically it. So you just shred this up, the whole chicken if you want it. It depends on how many pieces of enchiladas you're trying to have. Most times my filling makes roughly 8 tortillas. So it's up to you on how many you want. And also, you could do the filling of your liking. Sometimes people put beans in there. Sometimes people put just bell peppers and onions. I typically do add that as well. But since I said this is going to be easy, I'm not going to do the veggies for the sake of the video. Most people would be like, oh yeah, they said it was easy. And then they say, you know, they chopping up veggies. And you're like, this is not easy. But yeah, so you just want to have some chicken. I also want to have the red sauce, which is enchilada sauce. It's a recipe that's on there. It's for beef though, but same thing as in if you're doing chicken, if you ask me. I've done it both ways and still add the filling of how I want it to be. Then you want to preheat your oven as well. My oven is on 350. Even though the food is already cooked, you're just basically warming it up because you want your cheese to melt. And then also some people serve theirs with rice and beans on the side, or they'll put it in the filling so that way it could be all as one versus having it separate. So this is how it's looking so far. Yes, majority is corn because I'm not done with my chicken. As you can see, I only did not even half of it at this point. Just starting it off. Like I said, it's up to you on how you want your recipe to be, like your filling. Just like when you go to Chipotle, Qdoba, Moe's, any Mexican restaurant, any Mexican spot, you know, say you don't like pico de gallo like me. I don't care for tomatoes and all of that, so I don't eat it. I'm always like, oh, I'm good off that. Yeah, it's your preference on what you want, how you want it to be. It's up to you on what you want to taste when you're eating your enchiladas. Y'all ready for the long weekend? If you work like I do, Monday we have the holiday off. We have an extended weekend. But yep, so once you get done with your filling, just me shredding up the chicken. Would have had my mom do it, but I forgot to ask her to do it. Yeah, it ain't no big thing. So once you're done with that, you add the rest of your filling, which is your cream of chicken. It says that you can add salsa. I didn't grab any, so I just went ahead and just grabbed the stuff that I normally eat. And I'm gonna add my cheese and then put it in my filling, put it in my tortilla, put it in the oven, top it off with some cheese and the red sauce, and go on by my day. Wait for it to cook, and that'd be it. And then this is how your chicken should kind of look like. And then after this, you want to season it. If you want to add seasoning like salt, pepper, slap your mama, table seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. You might want to add some spice to it. You might want to add jerk seasoning. You know, it's all up to how you want your enchiladas to taste. As I keep mentioning, it's up to the individual. You just giving you options. Like sometimes they might have like the chipotle option, the seasoning. You can get that, or you can get the little baggie that has the sauce inside of it already. You can do that. There's all different types of way of how you want to make your food. That's the only thing about cooking. You making it to your liking. Why would you want to cook it to get the way that you seen it cooked? You don't eat it like that. Like for me, like I said, I'm a picky eater. So if it be like, oh yeah, you got onions and tomatoes and pickles and all different types of stuff in it, I'm not gonna put none of that in my food because I don't eat none of that. I'm not about to sit here and be like, oh yeah, I eat this, and then I don't eat none of it. It's up to you on what you want inside your food, plain and simple. But yeah, so basically you just want to shred your chicken like this. Like I said, my corn is at the bottom. I might need a bigger bowl because I ain't even add my cream of chicken. Ooh, my cream of chicken. So I'm about to wash my hands and wash that off so I can add it in the bowl. And then this is the sauces that I got. So I never tried this one, the green one, but I wanted to try it. The red is the classic. There we go. Get all your stuff out. Put out a towel. Wipe this down, and I just rinse it off. Swish, she ball. I'm so awesome. Then you want to shake it up. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. You want to get a little can opener, add some sauce inside. Add your cream of chicken. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper. I'll add some Mrs. Dash, which is garlic and herb. Just a little bit. There you go. Cheese. We're going to add a little bit because we're going to add some more on top. So, quick way again. Minute rice. Well, minute 30. Add this in there so your filling can be full. Then you want to just mix this up. See what's the consistency. If you need more sauce, if you need more seasoning, you want to taste as you go because you just might. Or you might not need to add no more of anything. Now you don't want it to be soupy, so you don't want to add too much liquid. But then you don't want it to be too thin either. Like I said, you want to have your oven already preheated. And you want to get your pan. I line my pan up with foil. Easy cleanup. And then they not stuck to the pan. So yeah, and then that's it. Get my pan and then I'll be back. So then I have my glass dish right here. And then you want to make sure all your stuff is within reach because you're getting ready to do your filling. You have your tortillas. You need to have your sauce. And then you also want to have your cheese. Your fillings right here. So awesome. Oh, hello, Tapas wanna run me? Then you want to just line your pan up with some foil, like I said. Because I don't like washing dishes. Then you want to pour some of the red sauce at the bottom to coat it. You want to just spread it out. Oh God, come on. Now y'all doing the most. Then you want to crack open your seal. Got all your tortillas. Grab a spoon. I mean some filling. Fill it up. You don't want it too stuffed because it's going to either be hard to roll or it's not going to be clean roll. So you can kind of see it. Can you see how much filling? Now I don't know. I don't measure it. I just go based off how much I want inside my filling. You just roll it up. Then you want to sit inside the pan like that, and then you just gonna line them up, boys. And then you just do that all the way up until you're done with your filling, or until you run out of tortillas. Chicken taquitos. But you don't want it to be too much to where when you roll it and it's pouring out. I can get one more in that pan. So then you're just gonna sprinkle some cheese over top of it, because these are some cheesy enchiladas. You want to hit it with the red sauce on top. Come on, man. Move. Some more cheese on top of this. And as I mentioned, just plop it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes or until the cheese is melted and it'll be done. So I'll highlight y'all when I'm done. I gotta wash these dishes and basically get ready for me to get ready to eat. Bye. Y'all hear that bubbling? Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. So the only thing I'm gonna do now is just let it cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna just put some sour cream on top of mine. We all are dudes. Hey, I'm a dude. She's a dude. He's a dude. We all are dudes. Hey, you heard Ed. Bubbly. I just finished cooking. Bubbly. What you doing? Cause I mean, you worry about what I'm doing. You ain't cook. You all up in my pot. Mind the business that pays you. One enchilada. I'm gonna dollop some sour cream right there in the center. And bon appetit. My mama gonna be the first one to try it. All right, here you go, mama.
Oh, that look good, girl.
So she getting ready to try it. Good girl.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But thank you. I'm glad you like it. I'll just meet that part. Ain't no big thing.
I'm gonna do it again now.
Go ahead then. Silly self.
What?
She's so full of it.
I mean, you know.
Girl, let me go ahead. I'm gonna head out.
Oh my.
You and Dad gonna end up eating it all. All right, let me go ahead and fix my lunch.
Fix your lunch?
Yeah.
What your dad said about you fixing lunch?
He ain't saying nothing. Anybody listen to that man?
Okay.
Well, I'm getting in trouble.
You eat or you fix lunch? Which one you want?
I'm the one that cook. So, ain't nobody listening to y'all.
Man, it's good, girl.
I'm glad you like it. All right, let me head out because she's doing the most per usual.
Thanks for feeding me.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
All right, she liked it. Good.